want to show you guys how to replace a cabin air filter on a Q50. I've done this a lot with Japanese cars before. Usually it's just in the glove box, you pull it out with like Honda and Toyota, and you clip it, you pull it, you replace it. Now this one is slightly a bit more difficult on this Infiniti Q50, but it's not impossible, okay? Especially when you can buy these air filters, FRAM, on Amazon for anywhere from $7 to $12. Now I think it might be $15 with the pandemic. But if you take this out to a dealership, usually it's over $100. They'll call it, like I said, it's called a cabin air filter, but all it is a glove box air filter. With this particular one, as you can see in here, you can't take it out. It's holding on by these two arms right here. So you can see like it gets stuck. So how you would do this is on the bottom, if you put your hand right on the left and the right, and you pull up, there's a little latch, just like that. Pull this side up, that's out, and then you can wiggle it so that the arm displaces out. Just like that, and then it's down, right? Now once it's down, there's this little inside of here, there's the little cover, so you just hold on to the left and you pull that cover out, just like that. The cover is held on right down here. There are clips that holds it in, and then these three up top that holds it in as well. So we'll take that cover out. And then next, there's the cover for the air filter. So for this one, it's going to be hard for you to see, but on the right, you just got to unclip it, just like that, and you just got to like wiggle it out. Just wiggle it out like that. That's it. Right? And then after that, you just take the air filter out. Always make sure you remember where the airflow is. Fortunately for the Q50, the Nissan, it tells you where it is, right, by the wording. Make sure the word stands up right, and then it says airflow down. And one way to look at it is you can see how dirty that is, even though it's this is carbon, but you can see it's a lot more dirty than the clean side, right? So we're just gonna take this out, pass it down, get the new one. And you just got to remember the airflow is down. So I'm going to take this out. Right here. Make sure the word airflow down. Just push it back in there. Just like that. And then for this. Oh, sorry. There's one more. Nope, this is right. So just got to put the cap back in. Right, that's tight. Okay, and then for this one, remember I pulled it out on the left, so we'll put it back in, cap on top, like that. So we'll put it back in, just like that, push it in, and that's it, right? It's back in place. So now I'm going to show you guys how to put the glove box back in. I'm not going to lie, this took us about 10 minutes, my cousin and I, to figure it out. Because if you look at it right here, I'll show it. There's these clips. There's these clips in here. Those clips have to go into here. They have to clip on, and it's kind of hard because you can't see it visibly. So just look around and kind of like get a feel of where they're at. We know that these arms are supposed to go into, the arms are supposed to go into here, right? So the first thing we do is we make sure that we put the right side in first, like that, wiggle it around so the arms are in. What I found easiest was if we put the left side in first. So hold it up until it's tight, like you feel like you're closing it. Like that. Push it in. That's in. Right. And then on the right side, you do something similar. It's hard with this flashlight. But one side, make sure you lift it up a bit and kind of like feel your way. And that's it. Like just feel, push in motion, pushing in, but then also lifting up, right? And you know it's closed. It's done when you close it. It goes down smoothly, slowly. That's all it is, guys. Literally, if I didn't make that video and I just did this myself, probably takes me 2 minutes. Like I said, I bought this a year ago. I just haven't replaced it. But this can go anywhere from $7 to $12 usually for most cars. And if you go to the dealership, they're gonna call this a cabin air filter and charge you usually over $100. So saves a lot of money. 2 minutes. We just went from $100 down to probably $10. So yeah, replace it. If you have any questions, let me know down below. A lot of other cars are even easier than this. So what I would do, I'd actually just open my glove box and just look at it. Most, especially Japanese cars, you can just pull it and tug it out right away, right out here without even unclipping this. So just take a look at your cars. You know, they replace this every year or two. It's $100. So that's it.